Today I'm gonna show y'all how to sound like Carson on BandLab. This preset gives you that rage underground sound. I'll show the effects and settings so you can use it on your own songs. Finna show you the song, then I'ma show you the preset step.
Esquire, you're the best.
I'm on the way, she got a sexy red body. Yeah, I got a lot of powder. Bitch bad, so wanna fuck with the plug. I'm hitting that bitch from the back. Yeah. Give me any bitch, I promise you I'ma hit it. Flying like a rocket. Bitch, I got power. So that ass ain't Mason. I fit in this bill, real go.
Fin show you the BandLab step. The full song out now on my real channel. Check it out after this. Go to noise gate. Go to graphic EQ. Go to der Esser. Go to TechLab bar 2. Go to Dimension B. Go to delay. Go to Space Maker. Go to AQ3M. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Peace out.
Esquire, you're the best.